Hey, everybody, welcome back. My name is Spencer Campbell, or Mr. Campbell Rocks. I'm a former middle/slash high school language arts teacher, now working as administrator, helping teachers, administrators, parents, and students work with tech. So help me help you. That is the big picture that you can see right here. This will be a really, really short video. It's not even a tutorial. It's just a request. I have a list or ideas for tutorials for the next 6 to 8 weeks. And what I want to do is start building the bank of tutorials to help educators and everybody involved with education save time, save energy, minimize distractions, minimize frustration moving forward. And so what I'm doing is right below this, you'll see a Google form. It's 3 questions. That's it, 3 questions. And what I want you to do is just fill that out. So what tutorials do you want or need? So the first thing I want you to do is just put in your name. You can do first or last name. That's fine. But when I do record that tutorial, I can give you a shout out and say, hey, this came from so-and-so in wherever. At this point, it's been crazy. The response has been pretty amazing. Thousands of views all over the world in the past week. And so I want to keep that going. Obviously, things are being put out there that people enjoy. And so I want to keep that going and help people save time, energy, and minimize their frustration. And then also just put your role. Are you a teacher, student, parent, administrator, or somebody else, right? Maybe you work in a district office. Maybe you work somewhere else. What tutorials would you like to see put together? And then the last one is, what tech problem are you having, or what tutorial would you like to see? And that's where you just give me a quick summary of what you would like to see. Maybe it's Skyward, maybe it's PowerSchool, maybe it's Mastery Connect, maybe it's Loom, maybe it is Zoom, maybe it's Canvas, right? So go ahead and put the requests in, and I will start working on those as they start coming in, because obviously requests from you are better than maybe some of the ideas that I have. Again, thank you so much for what you do for students at any level that you're at.